Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fascination. Good morning, I should be saying. Now, you know how every time I want to do something different for breakfast, Rob is enjoying his. But you know I don't leave out the Death Wish coffee. We're having the last of the blue and blurred berried, the blueberry coffee. Don't mind me, I'm really not caffeinated at the moment. So anyway, let me turn this around and show you what we're having for breakfast. So, of course, over here is the Death Wish coffee. Then we have a caramel yogurt. Remember, yogurt is good for you. And then over here we have cottage cheese, Swiss cheese, tomato, and the rest of the dried Italian salami. Now, this is a high protein breakfast. Remember, don't be afraid to start your day with a high protein breakfast. Because on some days, especially on the really hot days or on a day where you may not be feeling your best, make sure that you add your proteins in. I know a lot of people do protein powders. Make sure to check your labels on that. But don't be afraid to eat something protein. And don't forget to have your Death Wish coffee, because Death Wish coffee, once you've had it, no other coffee matters. That is so good. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Remember to try new things. They eat like this in Europe.